Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put formula in Microsoft Word table. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to put formula in this Word table. Firstly, create a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Table option and insert a table. Now we go to the Layout menu. Firstly, write some data in this table. Then go to the Formula option, then choose OK. Now we can see here we put formula in this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.